Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix payroll liabilities in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, let me explain what payroll liabilities are for those who may not know. They are basically amounts you owe to third parties like tax agencies, benefit providers. So what we're going to do, we are going to come here, the top panel, we're going to click on reports, right? So we're basically first checking the payroll liability balances. So you come here to reports, click on this, and then let's hover over here, employees and payroll, and we should get this option. It says payroll liability balances. So here we have it right here. You can click on this one. Okay, this will open up your payroll liability balances, right? So you can set the date, so whichever date it is, you can choose. So let's do this calendar year, right? You can see the amounts for that year, and you look at the balance column. So positive balances means QuickBooks thinks that you still owe money. So you can see these ones right here, right? And you can also check payment history. So for example, we'll close this. We'll come here. Okay, let's go ahead and close this. Now, we are going to come here, click on reports. Okay, click here on employees, actually. Click on employees. Click on payroll center. Okay, we're checking the payment history right here. So here in the payroll center, you can go to the pay liabilities tab. And, so once we are here, you can see the payment history. So you can scroll down, right? You can click to see the payment history on this. And, we're going to be reviewing all the prior payments. You just confirm that they were actually recorded properly and linked to the right liabilities. So you can see right here. Okay, so you identify the problem and you just compare. You check if there are amounts showing as unpaid where they shouldn't. Once you compare with the balances, and if the totals don't match, note which payroll items and periods they are affected, and then you can go ahead and fill those in. So sometimes liabilities that were paid manually, they get duplicated as well, so just keep that in mind. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.